Welcome to Core Java tutorial. Today's topic is access specifier. So before that, what are all the access specifier or levels available in C++? C++ supports three access specifiers, namely private, protected, and public. So private means which can be accessible only within the class. Protected means class plus immediate derived class, whereas public visibility access specifier can be accessed anywhere. So what is the default access specifier available in C++? Yes, it is private. So that means when we are not mentioning any access specifier, it will be considered as private. So what is the use of private? So private supports data hiding. So no one can access outside the class. So it can be accessed only by the own class. Only one exception is friend function. Yes. So friend function in C++ can access the private data. So even though it is not the member function. So similar to this, so what are all the access specifiers available in Java? So Java supports four access specifiers, namely private, so which can be accessed within the class, protected, so class and the immediate subclass. So by default, in Java, the access specifier is package, friendly, or package private. So note it down, all the three things are not the keywords. The fourth access specifier is public. So that means it can be accessed anywhere. The default is package, but not a keyword. So access specifiers in Java. So now we are classifying this access specifiers visibility in two things. The first is in the same package and the second is inside the different package. So in the same package, suppose I am defining a variable or method within the class. So now we are going to see whether this is available in the subclass and non-subclass in the same package, whereas subclass and non-subclass in the other packages. So that means different packages. So the first access specifier is private, so which is accessible only within the class. So though the subclass and non-subclass are present in the same package, so this private member can't be accessible. Similarly, different packages can't also access this private member. So next is default. So if it is default, so these members can be accessed within the package. So we can access the members within the class, subclass of the class, and non-subclass of the same package. So that is the reason by default the access specifier is a package or a package private. Yes, so this is private within the package. Whereas outside the package we can't access the default members. Protected. So protected means it can be accessible within the same package and also the subclass of the other package. So protected means it indicates what? Same package, additionally subclasses in the other packages. So the last is public. So this is wider accessibility. So which can be accessible anywhere. So within the same package and also outside the package. See an example here. So here there are two packages, namely Forest Pack 1 and Forest Pack 2. So inside this pack 1, there are three classes, namely animal class. So the subclass of animal class is endangered animal class and another non-subclass birds class. Okay. So now inside this animal class, there are two methods, namely food and sound. So inside this forest pack, so this is other package. So which consists of two classes, namely wild animal class and tree class. So this wild animal is the subclass of animal class, whereas tree class is non-subclass. Now we are going to see this accessibility level of food and sound method inside these subclasses, non-subclasses, other packages subclasses, other package non-subclass. See this table. So this forest pack is the same class, whereas this forest pack 2 is the different or other package. So this forest pack 1 consists of three classes, namely animal class, endangered animal class, birds class, whereas forest pack 2 consists of two classes, namely wild animal class and the tree class, right? So now there are four accessibility levels, namely private, default, protected and public. We are going to see the accessing level of these two methods, namely food and sound. So this can be defined inside this animal class, so which can be accessible within the class if it is declared as private. So I am giving private void food, private void sound. What will happen? So this is accessible only within the class. So the subclass can also can't have the permission to access the private member. Similarly, non-subclass also can't access the private member. Another thing is this is different package. So this pack 2 also can't access the private members. So if it is private, so which can be accessible only within the specific class. So that is the reason private supports data hiding. So we can't access outside the class. So even though it is the subclass of the same package, so which can't access the private member. The second access specifier, so which is default. So here it can be accessible within the class, subclass and non-subclass of the same package. So I am giving void food, void sound. So that means I am not specifying any access specifier here. So now what will happen? By default, it will be considered as package friendly or package private. So that means these methods are private within a particular package. So in same package we can access, but outside the package we can't access. So that is the reason by default the access specifier is package or friendly or package private in Java. So the third is protected. So protected means it can be accessible within the same class and the subclass of the other class. So that is protected. So protected means it supports subclass, same package plus subclass of other package. So the last is public. So which supports the wider visibility label. So which can be accessed anywhere. So same class and also in other packages also. Who am I? I am an access specifier accessed in subclasses. I am an access specifier. I can be accessed anywhere. I am an access specifier accessed only inside a package.